I have the OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, and in today's video, I'll show you how to connect these earbuds to your Mac or MacBook. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open the lid on your case, and ideally, your earbuds should enter pairing mode immediately and you should see this light start flashing white. Now, if that doesn't happen, simply turn them over and locate this button, which you want to press for 2 seconds until that light starts flashing white, just like that. That's when you'll know that they're in pairing mode. Now, once they're in pairing mode, simply go into your MacBook's control center at the top here, click on the control center and select Bluetooth. Now, here select Bluetooth settings, and then ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Now with Bluetooth turned on, if you scroll at the bottom, you should see, because it was scanning for available devices, your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro have been detected, so simply click on connect, and they're now going to be connected to your Mac or MacBook. Now you can take them out of the case and start using them by putting them on your ears to consume media or any other thing that you may be playing from your Mac or MacBook. Now, if that doesn't happen immediately, all you need to do is ensure that by going to the control center and then selecting sound, this arrow next to sound, that your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro are the default output, sound output device. That's basically how to connect your earbuds, the OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, to your Mac or MacBook. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.